Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello.
Ma'am.
Hearing, ma'am.
Hello.
Yes,
Hello.
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Okay. See, yesterday we was discussing about the heart, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. So how many chambers are there in heart?
4, ma'am.
chambers.
4. Can you
ma'am.
explain?
Four, ma'am. Four.
Can-
Four, ma'am.
Okay. Can you explain?
Upper
Right
to
Right
to
atrium,
ventricles.
Right atrium, left atrium,
left
left
ventricle.
ventricle, pericardium, myocardium, endocardium.
Okay. Layers also we got it. Okay, at least you. What? See, we have seen about the what are the parts of the heart. Okay. So pericardium has 2 walled sac around the pericardium. First one is superficial fibrous pericardium. Deep 2 layer serous pericardium is there. And functions of pericardium, it is going to protect and prevent the overfilling of the heart. So epicardium and myocardium we have discussed, and arteries. What are the arteries are there in the heart? What are the veins? We can discuss about that. And parts of the heart. Okay. So now you have to know how this parts, where and all parts is there. Okay. Superior vena cava, inferior vena cava, you know where there? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Superior vena cava is upper heart.
Okay. And lower?
Lower, ma'am. Inferior.
Okay. Okay. Pulmonary artery?
Pulmonary artery.
Right side, ma'am.
So,
Okay.
right side and left side both
Right
also.
ventricle with
Okay. Pulmonary vein?
Pulmonary vein, ma'am.
Left side.
Right side, ma'am.
Right.
Left pulmonary.
Yes.
Right.
Left.
side. Left
Okay.
side, ma'am.
Left side, ma'am.
Uh,
Ma'am, both
you
are so.
Below the pulmonary artery.
see here
Yeah.
pulmonary veins. Okay.
Ma'am, ito wajah
Pulmonary. Yes. Listen. Pulmonary veins carries the oxygenated blood or deoxygenated blood.
Left artery.
You have to know here. Heart always veins will carry what blood?
Oxygenated blood.
Oxygenated blood, ma'am. Oxygenated blood.
Veins.
Deoxygenated blood, ma'am.
Normally,
Veins.
veins will carry the deoxygenated blood. Arteries will carry
Oxygenated blood.
oxygenated blood. But here in the heart, okay, pulmonary arteries will take and go deoxygenated blood to lungs. Okay, pulmonary veins will carry the oxygenated blood to the heart. Okay, you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Normally veins I'm telling, in our body veins will carry always deoxygenated blood. The deoxygenated blood will be in a, no, veins will be slightish greenish bluish in color. You can see arteries always in a red in color. Why? Means it is a oxygenated blood. Okay, so that's why. But in the heart, pulmonary arteries will carry the deoxygenated blood here. Pulmonary veins is carrying the oxygenated blood. Okay, you understood now? So you know, right atrium, left atrium, right ventricle, left ventricle, you know. Now pulmonary artery, you know. Pulmonary veins, you know. And there is a difference in middle. You can able to know this. From right atrium to right ventricle, valve is there. That valve will call it as a tricuspid valve. From left atrium to left ventricle, there is a valve, we'll call it as a mitral valve or bicuspid valve. Okay, inside the heart, muscles and all, you know, papillary muscles is there. And between intraventricular septum also is there. Intraventricular septum is between the two ventricles, one septum is there. That we'll call it as a intraventricular septum. Okay, this is that. Okay, this is okay between right ventricle, left ventricle. Okay, right ventricle and left ventricle, there is a one septum. We will call it as a intraventricular septum. Okay. And trabeculocornea. Trabeculocornea is there like this. It is there, no? We will call it as a trabeculocornea. Okay. Cardae tendanae. Tendons is there. We will call it as a cardae tendanae. Okay. So you know all the parts.
Ma'am, why pulmonary artery carrying deoxygenated blood, ma'am, in the heart?
Yeah, yes, I will tell you now. That only is the physiology. We were going to know that. But now you understood now parts. This is aorta, you know. This is pulmonary artery. You see pulmonary artery, which color here?
Blue.
In blue, ma'am.
Blue. Okay, pulmonary artery. She asked a question, no? Pulmonary artery, blue. This is superior vena cava, which in color? Inferior vena cava, blue color. Okay, that
color,
much
madam.
you have to remember. Okay, so aorta, which in color? Who is that?
Red color.
Red color. Okay, and one more thing you have to be understand. Here fossa ovalis is there, no? Fossa ovalis. Okay, fossa ovalis here. Actually, fossa ovalis, you have to know what is fossa ovalis. After the birth, it has to be closed. Okay. After the birth, the fossa ovalis has to be closed. Some babies, it will be not closing. They will have the opening. So mixing of blood is taking place. Okay, that's why that baby will be in a body will be slightly bluish in color. Baby is a mixing of blood is taking place. Baby is not getting proper oxygenated blood. So that patient, they will be admitted in the hospital. They will close the fossa ovalis. Okay, heart specialist, they will do that. Actually, fossa ovalis after the birth, it is as soon as it will be going to close. Okay.
Fossa closed or not?
For us and all, fossa ovalis is closed. If any defect is there, it will be not closed. Heart problems. So that only the doctor will advise. Baby is having the heart problem. Yes. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So we'll go for next this. Now you have to know how the blood is taking place. Okay. Pathway of blood through heart and lungs. Just go through it. This much only you go. Afterwards we'll see that. All are can able to see visual?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
You see the circle, how it will be going, arrow marks and all, notice. Just go through, I will tell. Just you gone through. Yes.
Ma'am, can we screen the small size?
Huh?
The
You
screen
see?
small. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See. Here. Vena cava. Okay. Superior vena cava and inferior vena cava. Okay. Is carrying the deoxygenated blood. Okay. Deoxygenated blood means oxygen is not there. Okay. Blood is collecting from the both the vena cava. Okay. Superior vena cava and inferior vena cava will
Vena cava.
carry the deoxygenated blood. It enters into the right atrium. Okay. Here right atrium is there. Right atrium to here one valve is there. I have said no. What is that valve?
Bicuspid valve.
Tricuspid valve. Ma'am, tricuspid.
Hmm?
Tricuspid valve.
Tricuspid,
Okay. Tricuspid valve is there.
Valve.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So that valve will be open. The blood will be enters into the right ventricle. Okay. You understood this much? You have to know deoxygenated blood from the superior vena cava, inferior vena cava. It enters into the right atrium. So right atrium to right ventricle, it is reached. Okay. From here, it is going into the pulmonary arteries. Okay. Pulmonary arteries, where the purification of blood is taking place, where we are getting the oxygenated blood. Lungs only is the organ we are getting the oxygenated blood. Okay. So in the lungs, that's why we are taking oxygen, carbon dioxide through this lungs only. So lungs will give oxygenated blood. Gas exchange is taking place in the lungs. Okay. In the lungs, there will be a alveoli will be present. Okay. Here the purification of oxygen and oxygen gas exchange is taking place in the lungs. That's why we are protecting the lungs. Now corona disease also, we are protecting our lungs. Mainly it will be infected. So that's why. So here oxygen, now you listen. Atrium, ventricle, pulmonary arteries, blood enters into the lungs. Here purification is taking place, gas exchange is taking place. After gas exchange, blood has to come to heart only. So pulmonary veins will carry the oxygenated blood. Okay. So that's why it is in blue color. Where it will come, veins is carrying the blood. Left atrium. through the left atrium, it is coming to left ventricle. Okay. So left ventricle to here. Big one you see, no? Aorta. Okay. Through